Maurice Ampaw or say patapa pieto ye de mra and a raw. It is Speaker of Parliament Alban Bagbin NDC apparatus say omo be ye de omo pe e Parliament a ye omo NPP for omo de mra and a raw. Alban Bagbin recently were declared a 4 seats vacant. Ama NDC abenya majority e Parliament. Ama NPP akonya minority. No ana NPP for ye fast. Omo Supreme Court. As Supreme Court the ruling e de aba say speaker entwentwen ne nsabno so kakra normal parliamentarians no omo meto omo adwuma so. Na no e de nsababa. Na for doubt say speaker obobedi Supreme Court ruling ne so because yam wo kire Tuesday ombeko parliament na yam wo kina se many di parliament echi because parliament yam wo kina be there because NDC for a press conference hey omo no still omo majority inti parliament no ba majority baby a majority for tena no eho e no omo kwatena NPP so a press conference say omo Supreme Court ruling inti yam wo chomo so ba parliament inti yam wo cha ye change the speaker of Parliament Alban Bagbin do abetuja yam wo cha be yire ho eno ana Maurice Ampaw say omo de mra ene be wuro patapa pieto no omo de mra na be wuro nti Maurice Ampaw eno a ewo abrabo ene mra ne sesen o de ensem be gudwa e be kire eye ruling na kasamu na eno no obeka say Speaker of Parliament pa won de order no che say ruling na eye Supreme Court de ama no o de order no o muso no won hu de ebesi
which in law any area no only constitutional right say obe interpret the constitution. Supreme Court say asem afem na gede brem or bro mo no uhwemu da serious issue of constitutional interpretation, which means that I say ye chire mu enti Alban Bagbin trase na kasa trase na oji at 2 million constitutional Supreme Court alone say on church the constitution mo no Alban Bagbin affect at 2 million na wa church mu say no na ntia ahye na akotukotukudu laws and the de Supreme Court says that di no ye no wa fomra wa acting unconstitutionally because assembly womanim in fact they be say cited for contempt. Agbagobi should have been cited for contempt for undermining the authority of the court and prejudging the matter because assembly Supreme Court enim na why you aware say assembly with enim you don't avoid, you don't cross over, ton chene, fa patapa, fa what I say, young dear spirit. I guess I don't care about case now was Supreme Court no. Now what I say, no di. Supreme Court a bu sa order no. I want declare a bimu say seats there vacant 4 people no. And the person no based on that no, the status quo must remain. And the Supreme Court a directed Parliament. Say, hey, Parliament, make sure say, ye no more, nipa 9 no, almost sitting near vacant. Almost quite some member Parliament. Abe representing almost constituency. And therefore, no, that order no, Parliament, led by the Speaker, they have nothing they can do about it. Currently, no, they must comply with that order. And rather, within 7 days, no, so almost say they have a stronger case. Almost court. No much say the entire. Often say, convincing Supreme Court say, interpretation of that provision, no, that gives the speaker the similar thing say, or to me to declare that seat vacant, no, they should come and contest that issue with together with the Attorney General and the applicants. Simple. In a democratic country, I have rule of law. Now, I just say rule of law, no. Yep, assume no. Supreme Court, Kasa. Untiasia, there are 2 things you do. You go, now I stay in the orders, no. Now I asking for judicial review. We are evil. Chief Justice, they want my name. But let me tell you before God and man. Alban Bagbin, and I to force him. Some of your member, no more boss. I to force him. Listen to me. You claim to be the majority leader. Supreme Court says that you are not majority leader. Go back to your minority leader. Speaker of Parliament, Alban Bagbin, I am putting you on notice. Speaker, wherever you are, Alban Bagbin, if you think that you have balls, come and sit on Tuesday and tell the whole people of Ghana and tell the people and tell the judiciary, the Chief Justice and the Supreme Court, that you are not going to comply with their direction. The one who said patapapio todo, edi mrana be wrong.
And no na Maurice Ampaw ebe to say. In fact, NDC for po bi a onkonform ye hypocrite by NDC for, because more NDC for koya and the Supreme Court a really man a out of forcing in the ambulance case. I want to send the back and front of it. Just say na anode. You really man mo dey oh. Supreme Court, nyankopon. Supreme Court, heaven. Supreme Court, just say sembe bre. John Domani Muhammad Kraka say Supreme Court, just say still na no. Just say asorobofo bi ehom omo working perfectly. Emma Omangana. Ne de ye den. And then the moke can some say Supreme Court is this. Supreme Court I say. Supreme Court I say. Maurice Ampaw, the same way that's also.
Listen to me. People like Sam George, you can Sam George Okujato. I've seen your stupid comment, your useless comment, and your young comment on social media. You can stand on a political platform and do propaganda. Talk anyhow. Yes. You can talk anyhow. Deceive your people. But I'm telling you before God and man, we are serious. The Supreme Court and judiciary mean business. They will not allow Parliament, that institution, I'll use the word that institution, that is no more honorable before God and man. The worst Parliament, the most useless Parliament, the incompetent Parliament, and the Parliament that does not have respect currently before the other Ghanaian is this current Parliament, the eighth current Parliament. Eighth current Parliament, no, aye, to say, more lower the standard. In fact, the caliber of people are here from one MPs, no. If you today call, I will not call you honorable. You are look. The Parliament currently is full of dishonorable people. People who are so dishonorable. Say, omu bioma noa, omu Kenya nsasem, omu bioma noa, atemidie, omu bioma noa, kwashasem, laba okujato abrakwa, and Sam George, and some of the people who find themselves in Parliament, no. Jesus Christ. The Parliament currently, as we stand now, presided by, when I said, an incompetent Speaker of Parliament. Speaker of Parliament, only the only say, Yamono medically, na sika, on first kind of sika kosa no we are here. No, na hemu on nantia, no nanti say so. I'm about let me tell you before God and man. Let me tell you before God and man, if you have balls, if you think that you are the Speaker of Parliament, if you think that you are sovereign, if you think that you can disrespect the institution that carries the final judicial power, try it. Come Tuesday, and you'll be hauled before Parliament and before court. Listen to me. So Supreme Court making order, and the order is served on you. Who is president? Now who refuse to comply? It will lead to your impeachment. Yet to be you will feel as president. How much more Parliament? President the Parliament, you know to me. In the first place, Alban Bagbin, only President Nado. He never elected no. Nanado was elected by the people. He's an elected president. Who never elected? Few people let share, you know. 275 people, no. Even not all of them voted for you. So when it comes to the order of priority in terms of who is who in Ghana, President Ronaldo is the number one gentleman. Onupo is subject to the orders of the Supreme Court per our constitution. If the president refused to comply with the orders of the Supreme Court, you impeach him. How much more you, Alban Bagbin? Why you into the only NDC for no agro. You see, but me, I know you will not even tempt because we will drag you for contempt of court if you dare. And the military and the police will be there come Tuesday. They will be there when the order is served on you. And then you don't allow the status quo, they will discipline you. Your marshals your marshals will obey the orders of the court. There's parliament, you sit there. Parliament, and then I mean this parliament, because a parliament is full of people politicians, representing your constituency. But they are moved by their political, they are motivated politically. Political beings, animals. Parliamentarians like politicians. You have dishonorable people among you. More conform, more mafias, more people more to trust them, more conform. We are all in this country where this 8th parliament. This 8th parliament, more to be one temp. This 8th parliament, more to be accusing each other for corruption. This 8th parliament, more to be dishonorable thing. Makasa institution, you don't even respect that institution, and there are people in that institution that we don't even. It's unfortunately say they represent people. Even Sam George, Sam George say, when you mean pass, say Sam George, the deep beyond the educational background, the body language and the way he thinks. No, Sam George, no. No. There are some people, some of you over there. In fact, say some constituencies for they don't have any options. Some of you there don't deserve to be there. And who dare you think you are? Members of Parliament, who dare? Like today I'm addressing you. Now who dare you come and cite me for contempt?
That is the whole and some Maurice Ampaw. Ede ababe tuja no no de o twen nyamwo kire Tuesday no o twen say speaker ebebu Supreme Court ensem o de abetuja ne so yeso ye de ye wa twem a ye twen afede nyamwo kina ebesi ewo parliament se nyamwo kina eho ebe yire pa drop your comment comment section.